How to check your watch history on Twitter or on what is called now X. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so please follow up with me. First, of course, you open the Twitter or the X app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner right here. Now from the screen, tap on Settings and Support, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on your account and then choose Download an archive of your data. You should see something that looks like this. Tap on the Request Archive right here and you'll get a code to the Gmail that is associated to your Twitter account. So go to Gmail and copy the code. You'll be given a place to paste the code. After that, you complete the code verification, of course, and then you'll be given a time, like maybe 24 hours, for your data to be available. After that, you come back and download the copy of your archived data, and once you open it, you'll find the watch history there. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.